Welcome to intoaec. Today, we'll show you how to add items manually to your inventory. Sometimes you need to include unique or custom products that aren't on your usual list, and the Add Manually feature makes it easy to keep your inventory tailored to your needs. Here's how to add an item manually. Step 1. Go to the inventory page for the group where you want to add the item. Step 2. Click the Add Items button. A pop-up will appear. From the options, select Add Manually. This opens the Add Manually form. Now, fill in the mandatory fields. Product name, type the product's name. Quantity, enter how many units you're adding. Unit cost, add the price per unit. Unit type, choose the unit type from the drop-down. Once you're done, click Add. The item will now appear in the group's inventory table, showing details like item name source listed as added manually, ordered quantity, received quantity, pending quantity, used quantity, damaged quantity, replaced quantity, unit rate, total rate. You can also perform other actions on the item using the three-dot menu. To convert to expense, click Convert to Expense. A pop-up appears. Choose your payment type, cash, check, or bank transfer. Click Yes to confirm. The item is now recorded as an expense in your system. Or, if you no longer need the item, simply click Delete. A confirmation will pop up. Click Yes to remove the item from your inventory. And that's how easy it is to add items manually in intoaec. This feature helps keep your inventory flexible and tailored to your projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more intoaec tutorials.